Hey y'all, I'm Rebecca Diana, owner of Joyful Cactus Coaching, and I'm going to share EFT with you. It's one of my favorite tools for processing emotions and rewiring brain activity to think healthier thoughts and to let go of old hardwiring and programming that we just don't want anymore. It's not serving us and we're ready to move on. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, and that's what we're going to give ourselves is some emotional freedom. So today we're just going to do a very simple EFT session. We're going to be tapping on some points on the body. We're going to be taking some deep breaths, and I'm going to ask you to repeat after me. We're going to be using some affirmations and some clarifying statements to really get in touch with some of our thoughts and feelings, to really connect with them. But if anything I say is not true to you, please go ahead and just change it. The truer it is for you, the better and the more effective the session will be. So take what you like, leave the rest. We're going to begin with a nice deep breath and tapping on the chest. Please use a pressure that feels comfortable to you and a pace that feels comfortable for you, maybe fast, maybe slow, whatever works for you. And take a nice deep breath. And repeat after me. I am present in this moment, and I love and accept myself. Deep breath in. We're going to change points, tapping on the crown of the head. And again, repeating after me, I am present in this moment. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Deep breath. Back down to the chest. Just getting energy and breath flowing in the body, connecting, getting grounded. And repeat after me. I notice so much bad in the world. Deep breath. Sometimes we can avoid looking at certain aspects of life because they're painful. We can get into an avoidance. So in this moment, we're just going to become aware of reality, life on life's terms, and just notice the things about life that are troublesome to you. Breathe, tap, and feel. Repeating after me, I notice bad in the world. When I notice this, I feel it in my body. And list where you feel it, say it out loud. I feel it in my shoulders, or I feel it in the pit of my stomach, or I feel it on my skin. Just notice and breathe. Back down to the chest. All right, going to a new point at the start of the eyebrow. Right where your eyebrow begins. Deep breath. Even with this feeling, I love and accept myself. I notice this bad in the world. I feel it in my shoulders. I love and accept myself, even with this feeling. Deep breath. When I think about the bad in the world, I feel. How do you emotionally feel? Sad, scared, angry, hopeless. Just let it come up and breathe. Deep breath. Move your tapping to the side of the eye, the temple, right where your eyebrow ends. Feeling sad, angry, frustrated, deep breath. I love and accept myself even with this feeling. Deep breath. Even though I feel sad when I think about the bad in the world, I love and accept myself. Right in the center of the cheekbone, under the eye, tapping and breathing. Another deep breath. Good job. Take a quick break. Shake, shake, shake. Maybe you want a sip of water. Sometimes anxiety is caused by avoiding these hard things of life, these bad things or hard things, sad things, angry things, things that cause us discomfort. So by just taking a moment to acknowledge them and applying love and acceptance, they can become lighter. Sometimes they vanish altogether. Are you ready? Okay, let's get going. Tapping back in the chest, nice deep breath. I notice the good in the world. Say it out loud, repeat after me. I notice the good in the world. Deep breath. Up to the top of the head. Just think about all the good things in your life. Blue skies, flowers. See the faces of the people you love, smiling. Memories that bring you joy. Let all the good come up right now. Deep breath. Back down to the chest. When I notice the good things, I feel it in my body. Where do you feel it? Do you feel your heart beating? Do you notice your muscles soften? Do you feel lighter? Where do you feel it in your body? Repeat after me. When I notice the good, I feel it in my heart, in my smile, in my muscles. Deep breath. I love and accept myself. To the top of the head. I notice the good. I feel it in my body. No matter how much or how little of it I can connect with in this moment, I love and accept myself. Deep breath. To the start of the eyebrow. When I think about the good, I feel emotionally hopeful, peaceful, grateful. How do you actually feel? Fill in the blank. Breathe, tap, and feel. Side of the eye. I love who I am. I love that I feel hopeful and grateful when I think of the good things. Deep breath. Under the eye. I've been critical of myself, thinking I'm not good enough because fill in the blank and repeat after me. I've been thinking I'm not good enough because I've been tired lately. I'm stressed. I lost my temper with someone I care about. Deep breath. Back to the chest. The truth is, I'm human and I forgive myself. Deep breath. I forgive myself for being tired, top of the head. I forgive myself for making mistakes. I love and accept myself as I am. Deep breath. Back to the chest. Deep breath. I allow myself to make mistakes and learn. Deep breath. And let's take a break. Shake, shake, shake. Deep breath. Roll your shoulders. Give yourself a stretch. Maybe get some water. I call that flossing. Going back and forth between the old patterns of thinking and the new patterns of thinking. I've been critical about XYZ. I've been sad and angry about XYZ. My new reality, the thought pattern I'm leaning into is, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to be tired sometimes, whatever the new pattern is. Flossing back and forth. So we connect with the old idea first, what actually is in our brain, our minds, and then we connect to where we want to go, what our new thought is, what our new reality is. One more round. Take a few seconds to finish up whatever you're doing, and then start again, tapping on the chest. Notice if you'd like to change where you tap. Maybe you'd like to shift over to the side. Just finish however feels comfortable. Final round. Breathe as you tap. Deep breaths. The breath helps us in so many ways, letting energy flow. Relaxing, remembering to soften our muscles, let your shoulders fall down if they're starting to raise up. If you're noticing yourself yawn or get tired, that's totally normal. Just going to do one more round as we spend a little energy and time shifting, processing, building new thoughts, new connections in the mind. Repeat after me. I love who I am. Top of the head, deep breath. I love and accept myself in this moment. To the eyebrow, I'm not perfect. I love and accept myself in this moment. If it's hard to connect to the idea of loving yourself and accepting yourself right now in this moment, then use this wording instead. I send myself love and acceptance in this moment. Side of the eye, deep breath. I send myself love and acceptance in this moment. Under the eye, deep breath. I'm not perfect. I have areas of growth that need to be worked on, that I want to work on. Deep breath. That's okay. I love myself in this moment exactly how I am. I send myself love and acceptance. Back down to the chest, deep breath. Really connect, really do it. Don't just say it. Send yourself love in this moment. Send yourself as much acceptance of life on life's terms, of you exactly as you are, the reality of you, the reality of life. See how much you can accept as you breathe and tap on your chest. Close your eyes if it helps. Deep breath. I accept life. I accept me. I accept life as it is. I accept me as I am. I'm honest about the bad. I celebrate the good. Breathe, tap, and feel into acceptance. Notice how your body changes, how your breath changes. I notice my voice has become softer. I notice I feel peaceful. Shift to tapping to the top of the head. Deep breath in and out. Let yourself have a nice sigh. Deep breath in and out. And shake it out. Yay! We did some EFT. Good job. Maybe this is something new and you've tried something new today. Good job. Maybe you've done EFT before and you're just checking in, doing a little bit of maintenance work. Good job. I'm so glad you decided to join me and spend a little bit of time shifting your focus, sending yourself some love, taking life on life's terms. This is EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. I hope you've set yourself free just a little bit today. I feel definitely a bit more free myself. Again, my name's Rebecca Diana. I'm owner of Joyful Cactus Coaching. Check out more of my content at joyfulcactus.com.